Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a simple recipe for a delicious mango dessert, mango mousse. Ingredients: 2 ripe mangoes, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon gelatin, 2 tablespoons water, fresh mint leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions: peel the mangoes and cut the flesh into small pieces. Reserve a few slices for garnish if desired. In a blender or food processor, puree the mango pieces until smooth. Set aside. In a small bowl, sprinkle gelatin over the water and let it sit for a few minutes to bloom. Meanwhile, in a separate large bowl, whip the heavy cream using an electric mixer until soft peaks form. Gradually add powdered sugar and continue whipping until stiff peaks form. Heat the bloomed gelatin in the microwave for about 10 seconds or until melted. Be careful not to overheat it. Slowly pour the melted gelatin into the mango puree while stirring continuously. Make sure it's well incorporated. Gently fold the mango gelatin mixture into the whipped cream until well combined. Divide the mousse mixture into individual serving glasses or bowls. Cover the glasses with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 to 3 hours or until set. Once set, garnish with fresh mango slices and mint leaves if desired. Your mango mousse dessert is now ready to be enjoyed. It's light, creamy, and bursting with the tropical flavor of mangoes. Serve chilled and savor the taste of summer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.